Most people using peptides right now are doing it wrong. Not because peptides don't work, but because they're using them like supplements. And peptides are not supplements. They're biological instructions. All right? If you see the wrong instruction at the wrong time, you don't get optimized, you get dysfunction. Today I'm going to explain how peptides are actually used in a clinical longevity setting, okay? And why most stacks you see online make no biological sense. Let's rock. Peptides are signaling molecules. They bind to receptors. They activate pathways. They amplify specific biological responses. That's very different from taking magnesium or vitamin D. Supplements support, peptides instruct. And biology responds to instructions with adaptation. Now here's the issue. If you stack 3 signaling peptides at once, you're activating 3 pathways simultaneously without knowing which one is limiting performance. That's chaos. Clinically, I divide peptides into 3 categories so you kind of get the landscape. Metabolic signaling peptides, hormonal modulation peptides, and repair signaling peptides. If someone is insulin resistant, I don't start with growth hormone secretagogues. If someone has low testosterone, I don't start with mitochondrial peptides. Makes no sense. Sequence matters. So here's a layered pyramid, right? So you get a picture of it. Let me give you a mistake I see consistently. Someone wants fat loss, so they take a GLP-1 triple agonist, right? A growth hormone secretagogue, a mitochondrial peptide, but they don't lift weights. What happens? They lose weight, but they also lose muscle. Their metabolism slows further. That's not optimization. That's misapplied biology. In clinical settings, in real clinical strategy, right? This is what we do. First, we fix your sleep. We build muscle. We stabilize hormones. We improve insulin sensitivity. Then and only then we consider peptides. Peptides amplify a healthy system. They don't fix a broken one. The question isn't, what peptides should I take? The question is, what pathway needs activation and why? Longevity is system control. Peptides are surgical tools, not lifestyle accessories. If you treat peptides like supplements, you will be disappointed. If you treat them like precision biological tools, they become very powerful. Thank you. Ring the bell notification, become a member, and invite friends. We're going on a roll.